In this video, I'm going to show you how to work a twisted left lift increase. First, you knit the neck stitch, and then you insert the tip of your left needle into the stitch 2 rows beneath the stitch you have just worked. So this is my stitch, this is the stitch beneath it, and then this is the second one. So I have to insert my left needle here. Okay, and then I have to knit into the front of this stitch. So I've got 2 stitches out of 1 stitch. I will do it again. First, I knit the stitch, and then I will insert the tip of my left needle, not into the stitch right beneath it, but into the one below. So I insert the tip of my left needle, lifting the left leg of this stitch, and then knit into the front of the lifted stitch.